the Bay Area.
We'll just have Bay Area air,
yes,
unless there's
exactly.
smoke and fire.
And we certainly hope not, but that's what we're concerned
knock
about
on wood, right?
for the next couple of days. We got gusty offshore winds are going to develop as the atmosphere gets squeezed in between a couple of different features. The storm system in the desert southwest, there's a big area of high pressure, just more atmosphere off the coast, and in between, the atmosphere gets pinched, and those winds are going to be accelerating out of the north as we head through the day tomorrow, and especially tomorrow night into Wednesday. Let's track those wind speeds with Futurecast, and as the red flag warning goes into effect at 11 a.m. tomorrow, the strongest winds aren't going to develop immediately, but by late afternoon, we are going to have some gusts in the 20 to 30 mile an hour range, with even stronger gusts likely as we head deeper into tomorrow night and early Wednesday morning. Some 40 to 50 mile an hour gusts showing up in that time frame, and as we wind the clock even farther forward, we are going to see some 50 plus mile an hour gusts showing up, especially for parts of Napa County and Solano counties, where some of the strongest winds are going to develop. We're always more concerned about some of the higher elevation spots, but those strong winds are going to make their way down in elevation to about sea level as well. So it is going to be blustery out there for the next couple of days, particularly on Wednesday, and those offshore winds are dry. The humidity levels are going to be down to about 15%, and that's what significantly elevates the fire threat. What we could use is some more rain. We had a little bit Friday evening, but we need a bunch more. We do have a chance of showers at the tail end of the 7-day forecast. That should say wetter than normal conditions in the forecast for the 6 to 10-day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. That shifts a little bit to the north, but at least an indication that maybe we'll just get into an average November pattern, which would include some intermittent rain chances here and there as we head deeper into the month of November. We'll certainly keep looking for those rain chances. No full-fledged atmospheric rivers headed our way anytime soon. Beautiful post-sunset skies we look towards downtown San Francisco from Treasure Island. Yeah, post-sunset here at 5:45. Hello, Standard Time. Temperatures have dipped down into the 60s in Oakland, Livermore, and San Francisco, but still holding on to the low 70s in Concord, San Jose, and in Santa Rosa. And those temperatures are going to continue to fall all the way down to the 40s by early tomorrow morning. The good news is that while we are going to warm up tomorrow, it's not going to be an excessively warm day. The offshore winds are bad enough, but if we had extreme heat to go along with those offshore winds, that would be the worst combination possible. So let's take a look at tomorrow's forecast highs, which are going to be within a couple degrees of what's normal for this time of year, which means mostly 60s along the coast and mostly 70s inland. Inland temperatures in the Santa Clara Valley getting up into the low to mid 70s, but those are some of the warmest spots on the map. In the middle portion of the 70s could be a whole lot worse for this time of year. Temperatures east of the Oakland Hills, 75 degrees in Concord will be one of the warm spots across the entire region. 76 degrees in Healdsburg, but again, everybody's staying short of 80 degrees, so none of that extreme heat to go along with those dry offshore winds that we're going to be enduring for the next couple of days. The red flag warning goes into effect at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, continues through 7 o'clock on Thursday. You have to look at the last day of the 7-day forecast to find inland temperatures returning to the 60s, which is where they're supposed to be this time of year, and a chance of showers headed our way by next Monday as well. We're just saying showers possible. It's not a guarantee of rain. We're going to continue to evaluate that as we head through the next several days. Temperatures around the bay hovering right around 70 degrees, a few degrees above average through the end of the work week, and then starting to coast downward as we head through the weekend and into early next week, while temperatures along the coast are going to reach the mid to upper 60s through the rest of the week, right down to around 60 degrees by Saturday and Sunday, and even dipping down into the upper 50s if that rain chance decides to head our way Sunday night into Monday, something that we'll be watching for, waiting for, while we make our way through this red flag warning for the next couple of days.